What's going on, folks? This time we're driving from Harlem in New York City. I am at the Frederick Douglass Boulevard right now and 168. I'll be driving through Manhattan, taking Fifth Avenue, showcasing the ambient lighting and the nighttime ambience in the AMG GT63S. Let's go. Not been here in more than 5 years, and this used to be a daily commute through Manhattan. Well, I should say maybe 4 years perhaps. Definitely a lot has changed. A lot. Looks different. There's a lot less space for cars to drive through. It looks like a lot of the changes are geared towards pedestrian, tourists, that type of stuff.
Estimated time in traffic, 8 minutes.
Okay, there you have it, folks. This is New York City for you. This is the heart of Manhattan, Midtown, New York City. This is not parking though. Come on, folks. Let's get out of here. Driving through this type of traffic, especially in New York City, you just gotta be patient. Especially with the yellow cab drivers. Those people are reckless. They don't care, you know, what kind of car you're driving or whatever. If you're not careful, they're definitely gonna damage your vehicle. They always seem to be in a rush all the time. Lagos Times Square. Alright, folks. Goes Niger, folks. I've never been here before. Should try it out. Looks like a restaurant, probably with a nightclub. I'm not on that type of time anymore. Probably just a restaurant. Can eat with the family. Shy Gilgius. Nice. He's all over the car. Look at his eyes, wide open. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. See what I told you guys? This is a taxi. You just gotta be extra careful with these folks. Now they're doing taxi with BMWs, Audis. That's crazy. That's a nice, cute little Porsche there. My favorite Porsche is the 911 GT3 RS with the Y-Sack, if I'm saying it correctly, package. I know they're very track focused, but if I'm ever getting a Porsche, you know, that's the one I would want. Other than that, I'm not too crazy about how everyone's like Porsche this, Porsche that. I'm not one of those folks. I'm an AMG type of dude. And that's just the African of me, you know? Grew up with Mercedes my entire life. Let's go. Come on, bro. You're blocking me, man. Yeah, I probably need to get out of here. It's way too tight. See that? I told y'all. People are crazy in New York, man. I used to be one of those folks, though, remarkably, but I changed, man. Living in New Jersey, I mean, it's a different type of crazy, you know, when you're driving. But New York, you need to have the heart for it, you know. Been out the game for a while. Now it seems like everyone's just trying to crash into me, and I'm just extra careful. But if I was in New York, I wouldn't care. I would drive just as crazy as everyone else. Yeah, we're at the heart of Times Square. This is where all the tourists want to come. I don't blame them, though. Been seeing this for more than 20 plus years, so none of it excites me. Just doing the POV. Oh, look at these cops. I think I got the right of the way. Alright, let's go. Police. There's people from all walks of life here. All walks of life, you know. Fun fact, I actually did meet Pele himself, and we shook hands and took a picture. But the funny thing is, or the unfortunate thing was, I lost the actual phone before I could even download the picture digitally and store it. I was walking in Manhattan here, I think around 50th Street, and I'm taking my behind back to New Jersey. Oh my goodness, this scares the crap out of me. Oh my, and they're not driving real slow, they're driving fast, and it's merely inches. If I make any type of move, we're going to be touching each other. So my camera overheated, and live in New York City, it had to turn off. I couldn't get as much footage as I wanted to, but this is all good. All good. So I'm heading back home now. Folks, I hope this nighttime POV, you know, was worth it. You know, I plan to do additional content with the car. Obviously, the car is the star of my channel, so I'm still thinking about other ideas of what to do. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Peace out. Bye bye.